Good morning, children. Children, today you will do work in English practice book. Open page number 44. Children, first of all, write day and date on the top of this page. Now, let's read the heading. Is used for one object. Are is used for more objects. Children, you know that is used for one person, place, thing or animal, and are is used for more than one person, place, thing or animal. Now, let's read the next heading. Fill in the blanks using is or are. Children, see, some fill-ups are given over here. You will read the fill-ups and then fill is or are at the appropriate place. If we will talk about one object, then we will fill is in the blank. And if we will talk about more objects, then we will fill are in the blanks. Okay, children? Now let's read the first fill-up. This dash our house. Children, here we are talking about one house. So we will fill is in the blank. This is our house. Now let's read the second fill-up. The books dash on the table. Children, see the picture. Here are 3 books on the table. So we are talking about more objects. So we will fill are in the blank. The books are on the table. Now read the next one. The flower dash in the vase. Children, we are talking about one flower. So we will fill is in the blank. The flower is in the vase. Now read the next one. My mother dash a teacher. So we are talking about one person. So we will fill is in the blank. My mother is a teacher. Very good. Now read the next one. The cat dash under the mat. Yes, children, you know this. What we will fill? Yes, we will fill is in the blank. The cat is under the mat. Read the next one. The elephant dash big. Yes, we will fill is. The elephant is big. We are talking about one animal. Now read the next one. The birds dash in the sky. See, children, here are 3 birds in the sky. So we are talking about more than one bird. So we will fill are in the blank. The birds are in the sky. Now read the next one. The stars dash in the sky. Yes. What we will fill? We will fill are in the blank. Because we are talking about more than one star. The stars are in the sky. The book dash in the bag. Yes, children. The book is in the bag. Now read the next one. The man dash tall. Yes, the man is tall. Very good. Now come to the next page and read the heading. Fill in the blanks with is or are. So children, read the fill-ups and fill is or are at the appropriate place. Read the first fill-up. The pen dash in the box. Children, see the picture. We are talking about one pen. So we will fill is in the blank. The pen is in the box. Now read the next one. The pens dash in the box. See the next picture. Here are 2 pens in the box. So we are talking about more than one object. So we will fill R in the blank. The pens are in the box. Now read the next one. The girls dash on the swing. Yes, children. See, 2 girls are here. So we will fill R in the blank. The girls are on the swing. Now read the next one. The girl dash on the swing. We are talking about one girl. So we will fill, yes children, we will fill is in the blank. The girl is on the swing. Very good. Read the next one. The book dash in the bag. The book is in the bag. See the picture? Here is one book in the bag. Read the next one. The books dash in the bag. See the picture? Here are 3 books in the bag. So we are talking about more objects. So we will fill R in the blank. The books are in the bag. Read the next one. The ducks dash in the pond. The ducks are in the pond. See children, here are 2 ducks in the pond. Next is the duck dash in the pond. Here is 1 duck in the pond. So we will write is over here. The duck is in the pond. Read the last one. The flower dash in the vase. Yes, you know it. We are talking about one flower. So we will fill is. The flower is in the vase. Next is the flowers dash in the vase. So here we are talking about more flowers. So we will fill R in the blank. Very good. The flowers are in the vase. Now children, complete these pages with the help of your parents. Thank you children.